Hey you guys, welcome to Haulin' with Hollywood. I made a purchase in December. Actually, my husband did. We were in Las Vegas and he bought me a Tiffany necklace at the Caesar's Palace, but I have held off wearing it because I really wanted to do an unboxing video. And so today is the day and then I can start wearing my necklace. But the service inside Tiffany is so amazing. They were so friendly, so nice and helpful. So shout out to the Caesar's Palace Tiffany store employees. They were awesome. Is that just not the prettiest blue color? I love it. I have another Tiffany necklace that I've actually already opened. It's the solid gold. It's a solid gold piece. And so I will do just a review video on that. It won't be an unboxing, but I'll do a video on that because it is so gorgeous. But today is the actual unboxing of my video, or unboxing of this necklace. Now this necklace is called the Return to Tiffany Heart Tag Necklace. Actually, Return to Tiffany Heart Tag Choker is what it's actually called. So they just wrap that up so beautifully. There is in its own little pouch. So cute. And then inside is the heart tag choker. I love it. So excited to wear this. Okay, so what I love about this style is they have the classic one that's like from the 90s, or even like, what am I trying to think of? Like Legally Blonde, where she has the classic toggle necklace where you like, it has the one end and you stick it through the hole and then it kind of sets in between the opening. I liked this one because it was still the Return to Tiffany, but it just had a different twist to it and it wasn't just like so classic and kind of like dated like those other ones. And then this is what the whole piece looks like. Just kind of move it through. And then the end just has a clasp. And I like that too, rather than, like I said, the toggle that you stick through the whole piece. So I liked this also too because it is a choker. And I'm not into like the smaller chokers that are kind of popular, I guess. But this one's like a classier type choker. So I just really liked it. I liked the way that it laid on my neck. And I'm having a hard time putting it on right now. Dang these nails. Here we go. Maybe I should have practiced, but then it wouldn't have been a true unboxing if I would have practiced. But there you go. It just lays so nice. I love that it lays in like this one little spot in my neck, like right where my throat is right here. It just like lays flat just in that little piece on, or not piece, but on that part of my body. And so, anyway, I just think it's like it's just an updated version of the classic Return to Tiffany toggle necklace. Once again, this is called the Return to Tiffany Heart Tag Choker. Super cute. I love it. It's elegant, it's classy, but it's not too much. So anyway, the price on this, the price on this was $485. With tax, it came to $525. So expensive, but it is a timeless piece and it's Tiffany. So you can't go wrong there. So anyway, watch out for my next video. I will do that review of the solid gold necklace that's kind of similar to this, but I will do a review on that soon. So anyway, thank you for watching.